Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm going to share with you today a giant test tube project that I've been working on. A client asked me if I could make some huge test tubes, about 2 foot diameter, 10 foot tall, with bubbles coming up, changing colours, interactive. But before I started on such a large project, I wanted to work on a prototype. This is it. Before I could get on with doing the electronics, I had to do some preparation in the workshop. I got some acrylic tubes. I made the test tube stand, even using reclaimed wood of staircase spindles. I had to make the control board, and then I made some boxes to put all the electronics in. I've made them waterproof, so when I actually take this whole system outside, I can use the same boxes. Let me take you through some of the electronics and show you what's in the boxes. Let's start with looking at the brain in the control box. There's an Arduino and a shield. The Arduino gets all the inputs from this board into it. I've got a sensor here that powers the fan. I've got a switch, turns my bubbles on and off. And I can control the lights. Different colours and different brightnesses. Because I wanted to do the different brightnesses, I'm using an Arduino rather than the Raspberry Pi. From the control box, a cable comes round to my output box. All my outputs go there, so that's where the cable's coming from that will go to the fan for the ping pong ball motor, the pump, and the other lights. The fan and the lights are running on 12 volts, so they're controlled directly from the box. The pump, because I don't want to mix my water and electrics, I've bought an aquarium pump from the shop, and I'm using a relay in these boxes over here to turn that on and off. On the bottom of one of the test tubes, I've put a bung that can connect straight into the aquarium pump, and there's a valve on that. This saves me losing all my water and being electrocuted. And finally, I'll just show you the resistors for the LEDs. In here, those huge gold things, they're the resistors, and the whole metal tube is a heat sink to dissipate the heat. Because my prototypes are fun and I actually want to use them, I've designed this so I could take it to a maker fair or even to my village fete. But really, I need someone to test it, like they would in the real world. So I've invited some kids along to see what they make of it. I think the kids had a good time. It looked like they did. What would you use this technology for? Write a comment below the video. I'd love to hear your suggestions.